Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Just say Ghana there. I say senior political issues be bar. Police for be etumi ye bibi no. Eya na wonti ase. Now, and there your first time we have Mr. subscribe and click the notification bell no. And no end that screen so see we ya say latest news be about one sa ebeka. In Krata ababeto yenim and I'm read their trail. This is a narration from a year NDC4. Now, wamo bobo nkrofo bidin a year NPP4 nenso eka wamo de. Na say so far police for na enkasa but nini na ye debetu munim and then you guys will decide. But obviously, me am so much am adwin wo assembly ni na so. Before I ever kono my mention say we have a WhatsApp group. Person join the group now. The link is in the description box. We click a year group now. It is very simple. Over join it. Ghana for one man only be brewum. They be a just or moody or mohon komosa. Now young consem so. And now me know can say. Say the people of Yereka say. Say Eastern region. A hono your friend no. A year new Ebrim. Inti NDC supporters ekokogu new Ebrim a year police station at Eastern region because the ex-Eastern regional minister and that me can say we are parliamentary candidate for that area on the ticket of the NDC. Say or no ya arrested no or no with a year NDC4 constituency chairman and 4 other supporters. They were arrested by the police of New Ebrim on say Endra and aside the NC. Na dentia NA arrest you just because of campaign posters. Yes, campaign posters. Into Chesen Crow 46, the ex-minister, regional minister, the ex-regional minister, Yoba, I friend of Mavis, Ama Frempong, one no with the constituency chairman and 4 other supporters. Now, something na and say NDC for one day. Especially the regional minister no sabe say ye posti posters once election time into ya na nkrofo poster ye posti posters ono minister na nkasa nye ono no be round owo nkrofo a wo mo be round nti nkrofo be round no ene ne ya te say 4 NDC supporters ena na mo round posti nti omo wo ane say ye say wo mo posters na wo mo kwa posti no omu kohu ekufo ado poster no mo aposti NDC die no so that was the report no ex-minister no wati ni fia wote ye because ono wo bete ya ne say nkrofo ye somo mo se mo nkoye posters no police wa ba chi omo eno mo ko asem ni mu eno mo hu se se NPP4 posters wo ho a na nkrofo yi e the NDC posters aba betare so na nkrofo yi the NDC posters aba betare so iti dey see and say the MPP4 newo krom ni MPP4 so wo constituency chairman ne sa anyama no wo mo bofu ye o say the MPP organizer and the from no cast answer ne trom nti MPP and the DC of the area DC ni ne aboni din DC no they act ne say ne bofu ye and the MPP secretary o mo bofu ye na wo mo call lodge complaint to the police say police wan change branch na de o mo ye ni na ehonso na trese police for ADH na wo mokọ chi wo mo onze police ne there and the Ghana senior police aba yi akwa said they work for the ruling government. If someone who is big in the ruling government ko ka say we yes brabechi na they will not even hesitate. Inti police one so edi enim ekọ chi nkrofo no emse police one ko chi nkrofo na police one na hu say asem we nya asem bia ase chinchina over arrest will be say wo man pakuna da cells overnight Friday nti Fridays yes ye ma will be at the cells overnight Saturdays nisa obi onim sa de ne ebia nim say the next Monday e na ebia ye be releasing crofo nti ye ko chill Friday if you be released that a Monday any weekend na ya asem an crofo kan nti am say police for nankasa hu say asem we de enhye da anye we nti omo ye mo age so mo ankasa be granting crofo we bail. It is the Yatse and they said the CID in charge e decide yes we be granting these 4 people I arrest your bail. Into the CI police here the yes we be granting your bail and they say DC you know eba area ho DC of the area eba police station ho and no resist here say we be granting your bail saying momundem na say just say police near one no feel say nkrofo mi grant your bail no politician naba e ka the police ne say one penny e ma police ne grant your bail into the yate and say Operation Vanguard 4 team eba ho arrived at the police station. I don't know whether a DC in a fro mo said then but the yate and say Operation Vanguard team violently arrived at the police station because at time no na NDC womo aspirant na wo ye ex minister no na wono ene NDC chairman no womo akọhọ a womo nso kwa akọhwe because womo no mo asoma boys no ene yakọ akọche boys no nti se wate se yache boys na wontumi ntina ne fie e wo se okọ police station wo nti emra womo nso kwa police station ho na na yesi Operation Vanguard fo no e baae edi ebufuo ene be sizi NDC chairman no ni phone e fire warning shots I say warning shot a wo fire ne kra no aboba shells ni bi friend the pellets ebi etu aboba ne shells no ebi bo supporters ni bi inti wono candidate na ba wo so wo be grant bail no e na kire say ye ya na ye de ono nso so aka ho nti wo mo beda na 6 e na ye chi omo say ya arrest omo e na ye de omo ko to counter back for wrongdoing. Yes, Ghana. We will can. Yes, yo. O kasama NDC. O ye we. But wa sha semo esi. Sha semo esi. Se wonu hu ne se ade we kra wo police ne kra we hu se o we dia wo police ne kra na nya wa na wo grant o mobile because asemo nya asem bia e wo se man crofo no ko da counter back. O police ni na we hu za ade no. Na politician aba say hey mempene say politician in a free Operation Vanguard for no say dey you omo aba ho yes wo MPP NDC aspirant no wo ne wo chairman ne kra no mo na mo bon crofo ne panti mo ama ba ha say mo be grant your mobile la and ye chi mu ni na egum aka ho until they were 6 the sense ye tutu ni nti one hwan akoko e bi omo ko to counter back ti ho na NDC supporters no e ka say hey ehini ha say ye behe na ya aspirant sebe because of politics so onkola ne bibone kan ne say ne be handle asem no obi aba say obebeli na ye de ne pakone so to prison and ye de ne pakone so to cell so atibida intimidation ti NDC fo na ewo kro nim no so sore ye say hey ye mpene na waka omo say ende mo bebo ye ni na atu ekuyen omukogu police station ho say cho bodede police na mwangasa hu said abi send anyama akọ no because more people were coming and obi a wote asem bia ne sanse sebe asem no me na reti talk na ukra wote asem ne kan ye ohi ti obi a wote asem ne bia ye ne hi eno ka said abi ye he e ma de we ye nsi ti obi a bae omo ni na bae no mo say police commander bo hwe ma sa de ni si ye no ye se ono na em say takrade girls in sensem no wono na wo hweye wa wo kai takrade girls in sensem na police wow you know how the police acted first you got suspect na say ye we ya police for jam man ne call ye no you say oh no police commander no and they are transfer na ba ho a sebe he's being influenced by the MPP over there intino nkrofo no ebe board mpim gu ho na trese wo mo ankasa hu se da bi we die eno mo grant o mo bail the former regional minister Eye Mavis Amafrempong inti wo be address the party na me pese me read wo no ni statement natural because ye wie ye no wo mo ka say the district chief executive ni so ye ne be kasa because assembly by no no ne ye ka say wo no ka say ye mpene ma mo ma bail ne nyama no wo no so de wo kan ye no media no betu dwa but ma me read the statement in krata NDC for the Eastern Regional Secretariat of the NDC in krata wo mo atraba ma me read in show Now, we are by this release demanding the immediate time now yechi omutumu yechi omo MP no omo we ni tumu no we ye time yechi omo parliamentary candidate no. Also, we are by this release demanding the immediate release of our parliamentary candidates and the other 4 executives within an hour, or let the world blame the police commander and the DCE for any disturbances in the Ebrim constituency. We are also asking all members and sympathizers of the NDC in the Ebrim constituency and the adjoining constituencies to converge at the Ebrim district police station until members are released. Until way and a statement at NDC for a cinema, all the NDC people across the constituency and the neighboring constituencies. It's NDC for now our constituency, no, and the neighboring constituencies net assembly mubufuye. And then the ma wo mobile dumping ewo police station ho. Na police for no who send yan crofo ya ba be go ho. A wo mo ka se mo release na ende ye ne mo beda ha no. Omo hu se dabi. Omo ahwe ya bibi asem na de be kono na wo se ye release omo. Ene ye ya ye be release parliamentary candidate no. Wa he as if we are in the jungle. Na ye wie na DC no ye ne no ka se o se ono ono onim hwi o DC your friend Raymond o se ono he's not involved in anything. One resisting bill bia incrofo say ye wo ho na wo ba ya wo digidi say wo mpene ono so say o da bi onim ho hwe di asem no na wono de o kan ni say wo say he was briefed as the chairman of the district security council that only 3 out of the 4 NDC supporters who committed the act were arrested, and he denied the claim. That is one they all can say NDC for the 3 per any arrested yet. No, they will name say parliamentary candidates cry ya arrested no. But in some no and no neda ho. And an krata NDC for embra ya arrested on parliamentary candidates no, and also neda ho. You are seeing the picture right in front of where I think say after in 17 na see you know. No. Now, for me, I am not surprised. You see, we don't even have to act like we don't know that things like this are not possible. We are in this country, we know. You name the and the politics, my way. So for me, I'm not even surprised. Intimidation and here and there. And I own him. When in I own him, the President Akufo-Addo in the baby drain home. And I will do on mine home. When in I cheer. Yes, na obone de akosi president niti so say ane na so e bia na asem we ka president no nim ho hwe what in the baby dwen ne ho ni appointee bi e na tre say wo feel say wo power nti no wo be ma power aye we ni e de ni akwa akosia president. Try mo adwo comment box ni mo.